Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can enable 5G on your iPhone iOS 18. Please friends, subscribe to our channel and also be sure to put your likes under this video and write, friends, your comments. So, let's get into this topic. And I'm going to show you everything step by step. So, first of all, please open the settings on your iPhone and then you'll need to find the connectivity option and click on it. Next, you will need to in the connections option. Choose the mobile data settings. So you will come to this menu of mobile data settings, where you will need to select the second option, data and voice. And here you can configure if your device supports 5G like in all the latest models. Then you can set up 5G internet either automatically, as I have, or you can just turn it on permanently. What this means: if you enable 5G automatically, then your device will use 5G internet when there is sufficient signal. If you want to receive 5G quality internet, then you need to turn 5G on to have this option enabled on a permanent basis. I recommend going back to the mobile data settings and selecting this option. After that, go to the first option to turn on 5G data. This will increase your internet speed on 5G and help you enjoy your internet even better. But keep in mind that when you use 5G, you may have more traffic to use this internet. This is how, friends, you can easily enable 5G on your iPhone iOS 18. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please, friends, don't forget to put your likes. And also be sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.